Hello everyone, how's everyone going? My name is Jesse, welcome to Jesse's Tech YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at the IBM X3650 Model 1. Specifically we'll be looking at the fan and like the noise. So currently, you can probably hear it now, the power supplies. So let's have a look at the power supplies and see how loud this thing actually is. Alright, here is the IBM X3650 Model 1. This is the first generation of the series. So as you can probably hear right now, are the power supply fans. Spoiler alert, these are probably the loudest fans in the whole system itself. So, they might sound loud on the video, but in person they're not really that loud. It's just the microphone picks up a lot of, it just picks up so, it just, you know what I mean. Anyway, without further ado, let's turn this baby on. 3, 2, 1. Okay, at first, yes, it does go loud, but then it just drops down after like 4 seconds. And it just stays basically just like this. It is legit not that loud. I love IBM servers. They're never, like, compared to other servers, like for example this thing here, this Intel SR2500 server is freaking loud compared to these. Are probably 2 to 3 times louder than this here. It's loud. And I love IBM servers. Ever since day one, I got this. I just love them. So guys, thank you for watching on this beautiful IBM server. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment below what you think of these servers. Do you have one in your server app? Comment below. What do you think? What are your thoughts? Tell me all about it in the comments. I'll be reading them. Thank you for watching. Talk to you guys in the next one. Cheers.